Hi fellas, this is Chemaddicts again to the solution. Welcome back to another video tutorial. Well fellas, in this video tutorial we gonna look at the third step. Okay, so we will do the other possible way of doing esterification. Okay, so previously we were doing question number 21C of this question paper. So let's have a look. Okay, so we were solving this question paper. Benzyl benzoid is to form. Okay, we need to form benzyl benzoid. So yeah, so they have asked us to include the reagents, conditions, draw the structure of intermediates, blah 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 on this question. Okay, so here let us review once again. Here we need to do in 3 steps. Okay, so the first step is to oxidize. In the first step we have oxidize benzaldehyde to form benzoic acid, and in the second step we have reduced benzaldehyde to form phenyl methanol. So we have 2 organic product that is formed here. One is benzoic acid and another one is phenyl methanol. And in third step we have discussed earlier that in the third step there are 2 possible ways for esterification. We have discussed only the first part on the previous solution, that reacting aromatic acid with aromatic alcohol. Okay, and the reagent conditions are also given over here. So now we gonna look at the second part of this esterification. Okay, the second possible way for doing esterification. So let's start. Okay, let's get started. So we know that there are 2 possible ways for esterification. So the first thing we have already discussed, that is reacting organic acid, in this case benzaldehyde, with alcohol, that is phenyl methanol. Okay, not acid, alcohol. I always make mistake fellas, I'm really sorry for that. I'm regretting this now, and I need to regret this for the rest of my life. I know fellas, human make mistake fellas, I also make mistake, not a big deal. Okay, alcohol. Oh, alcohol, just missed the O over here, not a big deal. Okay, alcohol, now it's right. So in the first way we have discussed that reacting acid, organic acid with alcohol, benzoic acid with phenyl methanol. So now we're gonna look another way of doing esterification. Okay, in this case this is reacting benzoyl chloride, a type of aromatic acyl chloride. Okay, benzoyl aromatic chloride, benzoyl chloride with phenyl methanol. Okay, so reacting benzoyl chloride with phenyl methanol. So let's start. Boom. Okay, so reacting benzoyl chloride with phenyl methanol. So first of all we have already have phenyl methanol. Okay, just by reducing benzaldehyde we have got phenyl methanol from the first place, but we need to prepare benzoyl chloride, since benzoyl chloride is not present in this experiment. So we need to prepare this. So our objective is to form benzoyl chloride. Okay, in order to react with phenyl methanol. Okay, so this reaction is similar to reaction of acyl chloride with alcohol. Okay, So this reaction is similar to the reaction of acyl chloride with alcohol. So first reacting benzoic acid with solid PCl5, just like carboxylic acid. Okay, this reaction is similar to carboxylic acid, benzoic acid with PCl5. Since benzoic acid has OH group, okay, so any compound that has OH group, that would definitely react with PCl5. You know that this is a test for hydroxyl group. Yeah, so that is why a benzoic acid will react with PCl5. Okay, so first reacting benzoic acid with PCl5. First reacting benzoic acid with PCl5. Okay, then benzoyl chloride would form. Then benzoyl chloride would form. Okay, first reacting benzoic acid with PCl5, then benzoyl chloride would form from this reaction. Okay, then we would react benzoyl chloride with phenyl methanol together. Okay, so we're gonna react benzoyl chloride that is formed over here with phenyl methanol, which was present in the first place. Okay, not methanol, methanol. Okay, so now we're gonna react benzoyl chloride with phenyl methanol. Okay, together. So if we react benzoyl chloride with phenyl methanol, we're gonna get ester. Okay, this ester, that is what's the name of the ester? Benzyl benzoate. Okay, benzyl benzoate. All right. Okay, so that's the procedure for third step. An alternative procedure to third step, that is the alternative procedure to third step. Okay, so finally we're gonna get the ester. Observation would be the same like the first one. Okay, since ester is formed, so the observation would be the same. Observation is same. Okay, and finally we would got ester. Okay, so here what we are actually doing here is we are carrying out esterification. Okay, so before we have discussed reacting organic acid with alcohol, reacting benzoic acid with phenyl methanol. Okay, now we're gonna discuss reacting benzoyl chloride with phenyl methanol. Okay, so first reacting benzoic acid with PCl5, then benzoyl chloride would form. Benzoyl chloride, then we're gonna react benzoyl chloride with phenyl methanol. Okay, then finally we're gonna get ester, benzyl benzoate. Okay, so this reaction is similar to acyl chloride with alcohol. Okay, this is the only difference here is phenyl methanol is aromatic alcohol. Okay, and this benzoyl chloride is aromatic chloride. Okay, so that's the only difference over here. So fellas, that's the alternative way of doing esterification over here. Okay, so I hope that you have understood. So if not, please let me know in the comment below. Okay, so that's it. So now let's discuss this question. Okay, so here let's discuss the question. So here the step 1 would be oxidation of benzaldehyde. Let me zoom this a little bit. So this so in step 1, oxidation of benzaldehyde. Okay, then we should include reagent. Okay, reagent plus conditions for this reaction. Okay, so the reagent would be concentrated sulfuric acid and dilute sulfuric acid and potassium hydroxide, and condition would be heat under reflux. Then the structure of intermediate. Okay, intermediate, we should include intermediate over here. Okay, mediate. Okay, that is benzoic acid. All right, now let's move on to step 2. So the step 2 would be reduction of benzaldehyde. So in here we should once again include reagent and condition. Okay, reagent. So in here we're gonna use lithium aluminium hydride. Okay, lithium aluminium hydride. Condition is dry ether. Okay, under dry ether solution, under dry ether we're gonna apply lithium aluminium hydride. Okay, so intermediate, here we're gonna get intermediate, that is phenyl methanol. CH2OH. Okay, phenyl methanol. So and in the third step, that is step 3, in the third step we can do this in 2 ways, either reacting aromatic carboxylic acid with aromatic alcohol or reacting benzoyl chloride with phenyl methanol. Okay, so the step 3, reacting aromatic, let me specify this thing, then it would be clear. Reacting benzoic acid with phenyl methanol. Okay, so the condition would be concentrated sulfuric acid as a catalyst. Okay, condition for this reaction would be concentrated sulfuric acid as catalyst. Okay, then or we can do this in the other way around, that is reacting benzoyl chloride, a type of aromatic chloride. Okay, with phenyl methanol. Basically we are reacting acyl chloride with alcohol, that's it, phenyl methanol. Okay, so condition and reagents that is required over here is reagent. First let us talk about reagent. Reagent. So here the reagent would be benzoic acid with PCl5. Okay, benzoic acid, from before benzoic acid was present in the first place, we are just adding PCl5. Okay, benzoic acid, the first reagent would be benzoic acid and the second reagent would be PCl5 for this reaction. Then we're gonna get benzoyl chloride, then benzoyl chloride would gonna react with this phenyl methanol to give ester. Okay, so then benzoyl not benzoyl, benzoyl chloride would react with phenyl methanol to give ester. Okay, okay, so that's the answer to this question. Okay, so fellas, I hope that you have enjoyed. Just kidding. So now let me give you something. Okay, don't go away, please don't go away. Thanks for watching, fellas. That's the end of this video tutorial. I really appreciate that you have come to this point after watching this video. Okay, so congrats, fellas, we have made it till the end. Help us improve our lessons by giving your feedback. Okay, either give this video a like or dislike, it's up to you. Okay, so comment below which part of this question you don't understand, which part of the concept you have confusion. Please let me know in the comment below. Okay, so if you have any question regarding this topic, regarding this topic or concept, okay, please let me know. So okay, so either give this video a like or dislike. Okay, you may give this video a like or you may give this video a dislike, it's up to you. So please don't leave it blank, please give at least give your feedback, okay, about this question solution, since this is really important for me to make video in the future. Okay, so this because my video depends upon your feedback. Okay, so fellas, if you find this solution helpful, if you have missed the previous solution, don't worry, I'll put the link over here of the previous solution. Okay, so don't worry, I'll put the link over here of the previous solution, so you may watch them. So fellas, if you are already our fellas, we really appreciate that you are our fellas. Okay, so if you are not, please click here to stay updated, okay, to our channel. We will try our level best to